Ryan, we're all out of Lucky Charms.
You ate the entire box yesterday.
Hey boss, I'm gonna take some lunch.
You know what, Todd? You've been working really hard. Such a star employee. Take the rest of the afternoon off.
Sweet. Hey, can I borrow the bike?
No problem. You can have it.
Appreciate it, boss. I'll see you in a little
Have
bit.
fun.
Hey, Chief.
Hey, Todd. You're looking good today.
Thanks, Chief.
Where are you headed?
Headed to the food truck rodeo.
Todd, I don't think that's today.
Sure, Chief. I'll be darned if Chief's gonna beat me up to the food truck rodeo.
Dark in the city, night is a wire. Steam in the subway, up is a fire. Woman, you want me, give me a sign. And catch my breathing even closer behind. Touch with the ground, I'm on the hunt, I'm after you. Smell like a sound, I'm lost in a crowd, and I'm hungry like the wolves.
John, when was yesterday?
Yesterday?
St. Patrick's Day.
That was yesterday?
Yeah, the food truck rodeo, 5 to 8 p.m. It was right up here. We had a bunch of food trucks. The food was awesome. It was a huge crowd, and everybody's like, where is Todd? We thought for sure you were going to be up here.
Corned beef and cabbage.
I guess, you know what? I think you're a day late.
And $1 short.
Hey, Adam, can you come wake him up? Yeah.
It's kind of getting windy out here.